Discover Aviair C40, the next-generation solution for smart logistics. Lightweight and durable, our drone is engineered with advanced fiber composite material. With a spacious payload bay, Aviair C40 easily accommodates a variety of mission equipment, supporting a maximum payload of up to 15 kilograms. The modular design allows for versatile customization to meet diverse mission needs, even serving as a fuel tank. Experience the flexibility and endurance of our advanced drone, designed your operational needs in mind. Equipped with an electric power system for immediate deployment, it delivers a reliable 40-minute flight duration, designed for rapid deployment. It masters both VTOL and runway operations, showcasing agility in challenging terrains and resilience in harsh weather conditions. With its specialized electro-optical pod mount, Aviair C40 is ready to take flight for your unique needs. UAV Craft for a swift, reliable, and cost-effective aerial transport solution.